Son.
Yeah.
Son.
Yeah.
There comes a time in every boy's life
Okay.
where you start growing hair on your penis.
On my penis?
On your penis.
Does it hurt?
Are you retarded? It's hair, dumbass!
Oh.
Yeah. And when that happens, your voice will get deeper.
Really?
Yes. You won't sound like such a little pussy.
Well, thanks, Dad.
Yeah, that's right. And when that happens, you're gonna meet a girl.
Really?
Yes. And when that happens, you take your pants off.
My pants?
And her pants.
Okay.
And your penis will go in her.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that sounds really nice.
Sounds
Sounds really nice.
It is amazing.
Oh,
Speaking of that, I'll be right back.
yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom too.
Ah!